Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel Academic Tuber. Today we are going to discuss some of the important MCQ from classification of living beings, greatest science. Before that, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel, and for more update hit the bell icon. If you want more videos related to this, please like and do share this video among your friends, and also don't forget to give your valuable response in comment section. Okay, starting from the question number 1. What are the main features of organism under kingdom Plantae? And the options are eukaryotic cell, cell with cell wall heterotrophs. Next one is eukaryotic cell, cell without cell wall heterotrophs. Next one is eukaryotic cell, cell with cell wall autotrophs. And last one is eukaryotic cell, cell with cell wall saprotrophs. And the correct option is option third, that is eukaryotic cell, cell with cell wall and autotrophs. Next one, why is cycles kept in gymnosperm? And the options are beer flower produce seed, beer flowers leaves are needle-like. Next one is beer cone instead of flower seeds are naked without fruit. And last one is beer's cones instead of flower seeds are enclosed in fruit. And the correct option is option third, that is beer cone instead of flower seeds are naked without fruit. We know that cycas belongs to the group of gymnosperm, and gymnosperm are characterized by the presence of naked seeded, meaning that the seed are not enclosed within fruit. Next one, based on evolution, which of the following group of organisms are closely related? And the options are Porifera annelida chordata, Porifera arthropoda chordata, Centrata arthropoda chordata, and last one is Platyhelminthes, Nemahelminthes and Annelida. And the right option is option 4, that is Platyhelminthes, Nemahelminthes and Annelida. We know that Platyhelminthes flat-worms, Nemahelminthes nematodes and Annelida segmented worms are more closely related than the option mentioned above. Next one, what is the main reason for classifying whale in the class Mammalia? And the options are respire through lungs, vertebral column in body is found in the body. Third one is viviparous, and last one is gives birth and suckle milk to young one. And the correct option is option 4, that is give birth and suckle milk to young ones. These characteristics is a defining features of mammals. Whales, like other members of the class Mammalia, are warm-blooded vertebrates that give birth to young ones and nurse them with milk produced by mammary glands. Next one is, why are club mosses more advanced than the mosses? And the options are club moss grow on the land, club moss is saprophyte, xylem and phloem tissue are found in club moss, and next one is saprophyte is dominant in alternation of generation. And the correct option is option third, that is xylem and phloem tissue are found in club moss. Xylem and phloem are vascular tissue that play a crucial role in the transport of water, minerals and nutrients within the plants. The presence of vascular tissue allows for more efficient and specialized mode of nutrients and water transport. That is the reason club moss are more advanced than moss. Next one is, to which kingdom do organisms having a cell wall belongs? And the options are Monera, Fungi, Animalia. Next one is Fungi, Plantae, Protista. Third one is Fungi, Plantae, Animalia. And next one is Fungi, Plantae, Monera. And the correct option is option second, that is Fungi, Plantae, Protista. Sorry, for this question the right option is question number 4, option number 4, that is Fungi, Plantae and Monera. Cell wall are the characteristic features of organism of kingdom Fungi, Plantae and Monera. In fungi, the cell wall are composed of chitin. In plantae, cell wall are made up of cellulose. And in Monera, that is bacteria, the cell wall can have various compositions such as peptidoglycan in case of bacteria. So the right option is option 4, that is fungi, plantae and Monera. Next question. To which class do egg-laying animals with a 4-chamber heart and body covered with feathers belongs? And the options are Mammalia, Mammalian, Reptilian, Apes, Amphibia. And the correct option is Apes. We know that egg-laying animals with a 4-chamber heart and body covered with feathers belongs to class Apes. Next one, which of the following group of plants belongs to angiosperm? And the options are Pinus fern P. Next one is juniper, maize, gram. Third one is moss, maize, bean. And last one is paddy, banana and mango. And the correct option is paddy, banana and mango. Angiosperm, they are the flowering plants, and paddy, banana and mango are example of angiosperm. They produce seeds enclosed in fruits, which is the characteristic features of angiosperm. Next one, which division do the plants having vascular tissue belongs to? And the options are saprophyta, gametophyta, tracheophyta and spermatophyta. And the correct option is division tracheophyta. The division tracheophyta includes the vascular plants which have specialized tissue for the transport of water, minerals and nutrients. This division encompasses a wide range of plants including ferns, gymnosperm and angiosperm. The other options, that is sporophyta, gametophyta and spermatophyta, refers to different stages or characteristics and are not used as the primary division for the vascular plants. Next one, which one of the following is called a vascular non-flowering plants? And the options are Markensia, Dipterus, Mango and Spirogyra. And the correct option is Dipterus. We know that Dipterus, it is a genus of fern, and fern are vascular non-flowering plants. They reproduce by spores and do not produce flower or seed. Next one, which of the following cannot produce fruit? And the options are mango, rose, pine, sunflower. And the correct option is pine. Pine are gymnosperm which produce seeds but not enclosed within a true fruit. Gymnosperm typically have naked seeds exposed on the surface of cone scales, whereas the other options, mango, rose and sunflower, are angiosperm and they produce fruits. Next one, which one of the following groups of plants always depend upon wind for pollination? And the options are barophytes, pteridophytes, angiosperm and gymnosperm. And the correct option is gymnosperm. We know that gymnosperms such as conifers, cycads, typically they depends on wind pollination. In gymnosperm, the male cone produces pollen grains and the wind carries these pollen grains to the female cones for fertilization. Next one, who is known as father of taxonomy? And the options are Whitaker, Carl, Vose, Haeckel and Linnaeus. And the correct option is Linnaeus. So Carlos Linnaeus is known as the father of taxonomy. Next one, which phylum of the following has multicellular, sessile and pore-bearer animals? And the options are Annelida, Porifera, Coelenterate and Mollusca. And the correct option is option second, that is Porifera. Porifera is a phylum that includes multicellular, sessile and pore-bearing animals, commonly known as sponges. Next one, which phylum has elongated, cylindrical, unsegmented, unisexual animals? And the options are Annelida, Arthropoda, Nema helminthes and Porifera. And the correct option is option third, that is Nema helminthes. Nema helminthes, also known as the roundworms, are elongated, cylindrical, unsegmented and unisexual animals. Next one, which what are the locomotory organ of earthworm? And the options are setae, pseudopodia, tentacles, and jointed. And the correct option is setae. Earthworm move using setae, which are bristle-like structure on their body segments. Next one, which group of the following has a pair of pinnae? And the options are vertebrates, invertebrates, chordates, and mammals. And the correct option is mammals. Mammals typically have a pair of pinnae, which are external ear structure. Next one, what is the elastic cord present in the chordates above the alimentary canal? And the options are notochord, vertebral column, backbone, and spinal cord. And the correct option is notochord. The elastic cord present in chordates above the alimentary canal is the notochord. Next one, the five kingdom classification was proposed by. Options are Altman, Austinson, Whittaker, Adolf, Ingalls. And the right option is option third, that is Whittaker. The full name of Whittaker is R.S. Whittaker, Robert Harding Whittaker. He is an American taxonomist. Next one, the main basis of five kingdom classification is, and the options are nutrition, asexual reproduction, structure of nucleus, structure of cell wall. And the correct option is structure of nucleus. On the basis of nucleus, so organisms, they are categorized into eukaryotes and prokaryotes. Next one, the animals, kingdom Animalia, are mainly grouped under two categories, and the options are bilaterally symmetrical and radially symmetrical, columate and acolumate, aquatic and terrestrial, and vertebrates and invertebrates. And the correct option is columate and acolumate. Animals are mainly grouped under columate and acolumate categories based on body cavity presence. Next one, jellyfish is classified in the phylum, and the options are Coelenterata, Mollusca, Pisces, and Arthropoda, and the correct option is Coelenterata. Next one, the animal of phylum Mollusca is, and the options are scorpion, octopus, hydra, and earthworm, and the correct option is octopus. Next one, the animal of class Pisces is, and the options are jellyfish, seahorse, starfish, and whale, and the correct option is seahorse. Next one, which of the following is not a helminth parasite? And the options are Scorpio, Planaria, Autoplana, Ascaris, and the correct option is Scorpio. Scorpio are the arachnids, which belongs to phylum Arthropoda. Next one, algae have cell wall made up of, and the options are cellulose, galactans and mannans, pectins, cellulose and protein, hemicellulose, pectins and protein, cellulose, hemicellulose and pectin, and the correct option is option 1, that is cellulose, galactans and mannans. Next one, gametophyte is dominant stage in the life cycle of, and the options are barophyte, pteridophyta, angiosperm and gymnosperm, and the correct option is barophyta. Next one, which of the following statement is wrong about barophytes? And the options are fertilization takes place in the presence of water, gametophytic place is dominant in a life cycle, sporophyte is physiologically dependent on gametophyte, and last one is zygote undergoes meiosis to produce is sporophyte. And the correct option is option D, that is zygote undergoes meiosis to produce sporophyte. We know that in the life cycle of barophytes, the zygote undergoes mitosis to develop into a sporophyte, not meiosis. Meiosis typically occurs during the formation of spores in the sporangium of the sporophyte. Next one, female reproductive part of barophytes is, and the options are Antheridia, Oogonium, Archegonium, and Sporangium. And the correct option is option C, that is Archegonium. Next one, dominant generation in barophyte is, options are capsule, sporophyte, gametophyte and setae, and the correct option is option C, that is gametophyte. Next one, barophytes resemble algae in the following aspects, and the options are filamentous body, presence of vascular tissue and autotrophic nutrition. Next, second one, differentiation of plant body into root, stem and leaves and autotrophic nutrition. Third one, thallus-like plant body, presence of roots and autotrophic nutrition. And fourth one is thallus-like plant body, lack of vascular tissue and autotrophic nutrition. And the correct option is option D, which describes the similarity between the algae and the barophytes. Next one, which one of the following group of animals is bilaterally symmetrical and triploblastic? And the options are sedentarians, which are also known as the cnidarians. Next one is Aschelminthes roundworm. Third one is ctenophores, and fourth one is sponges. And the right option is option B, that is Aschelminthes roundworm. Next one, Ascaris eels, and the options are parasite, facultative autotroph and autotroph facultative heterotroph, and the correct option is parasite. Ascaris, it is a parasitic roundworm. Next one, blood of earthworm is, and the options are red in color due to dissolved hemoglobin in corpuscle, red in color due to dissolved hemoglobin in plasma, blue in color due to dissolved hemocyanin in plasma, and blue in color due to dissolved hemocyanin in corpuscles. And the correct option is option B, that is red in color due to dissolved hemoglobin in plasma. Next one, which one of the following is not characteristics of phylum Annelida? And the options are closed circulatory system, pseudocoelom, segmentation, vertical knob coat, and the option is option second, pseudocoelom. Annelids, they have true coelom, not a pseudocoelom. In which of the following animals respiration occurs without any respiratory organs? And the options are frog, fish, cockroach and earthworm. And the correct option is earthworm, as the earthworm they respire through their general body surface, or we can say skin. Next one, in a copulating pair of earthworm, which two processes takes place? And the options are axonal fertilization and cross fertilization, cross fertilization and reciprocal fertilization, internal fertilization and cross fertilization, reciprocal fertilization and internal fertilization. And the correct option is option C, that is internal fertilization and cross fertilization. Earthworm, we know that earthworm they undergo internal fertilization and they are cross fertilizing organisms. Next one, the point by which Annelida advance over Nematoda is, and the options are true coelom, closed circulation, metameric segmentation and all of the above. And the correct option is all of the above. The point by which Annelida advance over Nematoda includes true coelom, closed circulation and metameric segmentation. Next one, select the correct statement, and the options are boss are poikilothermic, earthworm is metamerically segmented, flatworms are coelomic animals, and next one is fishes are radially symmetrical. And the correct option is option second, that is earthworm is metamerically segmented. These earthworms are annelids and they are metamerically segmented. Next one, which of the following have the highest number of species in nature? And the options are insect, birds, angiosperm, fungi. And the correct option is insect. Insect, they have the highest number of species. Next one, exoskeleton of which phylum consists of a chitinous cuticle? And the options are Annelida, Porifera, Arthropoda and Echinodermata. And the correct option is Arthropoda. Arthropoda, they consist of a chitinous cuticle. Next one, chitin is a, and the options are lipid, protein, polysaccharide and sphingomyelin. and the option is polysaccharide. Next one, insects have, and the options are 2 pair of legs, 3 pair of legs, 4 pair of legs, and 1 pair of legs. So we know that insects typically have 3 pair of legs. Next one, arthropods are characterized by, and the options are jointed appendages, open blood vascular system, triploblastic, and all of the above. So we know that arthropods are characterized by jointed legs and open circulatory system and being triploblastic. So the correct option is option D, that is all of the above. Next one, the largest phylum in respect of number of species is, and the options are Sedentarita, Arthropoda, Protozoa, and Porifera. And the correct option is Arthropoda. Arthropoda is the largest phylum in respect of the number of species. Next one, silent feature of Arthropoda is, and the options are aquatic and free living. Next one is chitinous exoskeleton and jointed appendages. Third one is both A and B, and the last one is none of the above. And the correct option is option B, that is chitinous exoskeleton and jointed appendages. By this we have completed some of the important MCQ from the unit classification of living beings from grade 10 science. I hope this video was useful to you. If you like this video, please share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any queries, drop the comments in the comment section. See you on the next video. Thank you.